All right, y'all. So after looking at quite a few of your assignments, it seems like there's some confusion as to what I'm asking for on the last slide of the PowerPoint for Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So if you read through the triangle, you understand that there are certain things that people need in order to feel successful, or you can say all put together. Okay, and you can't move up the triangle until the lower levels are met. So first one is physiological needs. So these are things you need to survive. Okay, so what are those things that you need in order to live day to day, that your human physical body needs in order to be a human being every day? Okay, from there it moves up to safety. So what are some things or people you need in your life to feel safe? Okay, after that, it's love and affection. So, what are some things or people you need in your life to feel like you are getting love? Okay, and it's not necessarily a boyfriend or girlfriend, but what other people make you feel love? Okay, continue up. Okay, what things, activities, or people raise your self esteem? Is it drill team? Is it basketball? Is it band? Is it being in HOSA? Is it maybe you blog or you like to do makeup or working out? Okay, what people or things make you feel or raise your own esteem? Okay, and then self actualization is, what is that one thing or that thing you need in order to feel like you fulfilled your purpose in life? Is it becoming a nurse? Is it, running 12 marathons? Again, what is that one thing you need in your life to feel like you've made it? Okay, and a lot of people say that when you get to self actualization, you actually want to start at the bottom and bring someone up the triangle or bring someone back up. Okay, so what is that one thing that you need in your life in order to help someone else to be better? Okay, so what I'm asking you to do on this assignment is to give me two or three things that you feel give you that section of Maslow's triangle. So, what do you need to feel like a human being? Okay, what do you need to feel safe? What people or what people or things do you need in order to feel like you're receiving love? What people, things, or activities make you feel your own personal self esteem or to raise your esteem? Okay, and then what activities or life goals do you have that will make you feel like you've done what you've needed to as a human being? Okay, if you have any questions, hit me up on Remind or in the Google Classroom. But please take the time to go back and fix the assignment. You can either resubmit it, or I'll let you guys put your answers in the private comments section on the assignment. Talk to you later.